Since a World Health Organization panel released a preliminary report on COVID-19 origins tracing in June, some Western politicians and media outlets renewed their attempts to smear China by playing up the so-called lab leak theory in tracing the origins of COVID-19. A researcher on Arab and international affairs has told Xinhua that the emergence of COVID-19 in China doesn't mean it's of Chinese origin, adding that the politicization of the coronavirus origins probe is part of the US attempts to control the international community.
The emergence of the virus was a surprise to the world, and its appearance was widely exploited, especially by the United States against China. But all scientific facts have proven that the emergence of the virus in China does not necessarily mean that it is of Chinese origin. On the other hand, China is almost the only country in the world that has taken strict and largely successful measures to contain and control the virus. And this was confirmed by the World Health Organization, which said that China's experience to combat the virus is unique. China's call for the World Health Organization to conduct joint research on the coronavirus and its origin is the biggest evidence that China has nothing to fear about the virus, that the origin of the virus is not specified, and that all China's measures regarding combating the virus and tracing its source were strictly done under the supervision of the Chinese government. The insistence of the United States that the source of the virus comes from China is part of its political conflict with China, which is part of the US attempts to control the international community.